How's it going, guys? It's Chris here with Street Geeks, and today I got another quick unboxing for you, and this is for the Technica M50x. And these are a limited edition red and gold. I had initially bought the black pair, but when I found out they had different colors, I went ahead and returned them and got these, and they look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up and take a look and see what we got. If you don't know, about this brand of headphones, Audio Technica, they make really good audio products. I have an Audio Technica microphone, and I plan to use these headphones to do some mixing and things like that. They have a pretty flat audio profile, which is good for mixing. And we'll take a look and see what's going on here. So take a look at the box. Standard stuff here. Professional monitor headphones. And let's get this thing opened up. I am opening them for the first time with you guys, so this is a real unboxing. What you have here, the standard, warranty information, stuff like that. You also get a nice little carrying case for your headphones. Set that aside. Then inside they give you 3 cables. One is a short cable. You get a longer cable. And also your coil cable. This is probably the one I'll use the most. Then you have the headphones themselves. Get them out of here. And just taking a look at these things, they look freaking awesome. The gold on top, gold Audio Technica, and this is of course plastic. Spine is gold there. I mean, they're already great headphones, but the color just makes them even better. So, I really love this color. Also because one of my favorite basketball teams is the Cleveland Cavaliers. And this is their color, so pretty awesome. But that's it. That's the unboxing. I'll give a review and also tell you why I'll never buy another pair of Beats headphones ever again. But I will go ahead and give you a review on these. I'm sure there's plenty out there, but I'll give my review and you can and let you know what I think of them. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you next time. Later.